Come along with me for a day on the job. Driving takes up a lot of my day. It's where most of my time is spent. Doing our first stop at one of my distributors' spec building in Austin to grab some materials that didn't show up with our initial order for one of our roof replacements. Second stop of the day, stopping there, dropping off the materials at that roof replacement that we're missing. Now just kind of doing a general check of the project and how it's going. While we were out there, we found some issues that weren't addressed in our previous inspection, so talking to the guys about what it's going to take to get it fixed. Also was hounded by the marketing department to film some content, so we brainstormed some ideas and knocked out some of the social media content that you guys seem to enjoy so much. Third stop, to inspect a roof of a customer that owns a bunch of Airbnbs around town. They say they have a leak in one of their properties and wanted us to check it out. We noticed that the roof obviously had a leak issue, but also had been affected in that hailstorm that passed us back a few months ago. All right, guys, that's pretty much the wrap for today. On my way home to enjoy time with the family.